A little while ago I picked up some Aristocraft bits of rolling stock, and oops, if you've not seen these or had these before, then basically all three items here have the same chassis, and they come fitted with knuckle couplers. The wheels are plastic and they're sprung, so you've got sprung wheels there, but you have got plastic wheels. So I guess the first thing that some people would do is they'd replace those with a decent pair of metal wheels, and I don't know what size the axle is on the end of that. I can have a look later. My intention at the moment is to convert one of the three with the enclosed and included LGB style hook and loop couplings. I was thinking of doing that with the flat car. So that's the flat car in its box. These are, as far as I know, they were brand new, never run, never used, and it comes with all 10 stakes for the flat car. And if I pull this out, then in fact it's more than just the basic chassis that's the same. It's actually that part there that's got the same plank marking, and you've got the same location points. No, it's not the same. No, they're not the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4 on there. No, forgive me. That's not quite the same. So there is a little bit of difference here. I think maybe the box car, because it's the similar vintage, is very similar, if not the same. But yes, it makes the production costs a lot lower if you're able to reuse parts. And they've got a little bit of movement. Anyway, so in a moment I'm going to run these around the track for a particular reason, but I'm getting them out, and I thought it would be worth just saying a little bit that I noticed. I didn't know much about them before I bought them. Probably don't know a lot more about them now I have. The little blighter has lost its spring. I mean, the spring that's on the hook of the LGB type coupling. So as normal, you don't get hooks on the front of LGB locos, just get the hook on the back. So you only get the loop on the front, which is fine, and the coupling I put on matches reasonably well, but as you can see the hook is well down now. So at some point when I've reversed the loco up from my operating position to hook up again, it has lost the spring. So two different styles of hook and loop coupler come to replace it. This style, which has a spring there, so I could replace. I'm not going to be able to find that spring, I can tell you now. It's too small, dark. No spare springs, some spare screws. Or this style, which comes as the hook and loop like that, with a plastic sort of spring that attaches under the fixing screw and goes into the back of the hook. And it also came with raising blocks as well. So completely different setup. Is that right? Raising blocks, and what else did it come with? What else in this packet? A lower lip raising block. So that one comes with a number of different variations on the fitting. Anyway, so I'm not going to replace it with the one with the spring on, because I know the spring gets lost. What I will do is replace it with the one with the plastic spring, and without any other blocks. It's a bit of a tight fit onto the spigot on the bottom of this. It seems to fit. The hook is larger, and so it doesn't automatically couple. No, you've got to push the hook down to get it under, which probably means it's less likely to uncouple. There's the as fitted LGB one on that end, and you can see the plastic spring there. Anyway, there we go. Let's see how that goes.